Hello, today I want to show about the pressure gauge. So here is the pressure gauge. Pressure gauge it has many different. It depends on the pressure that you are using, so you can select which style that is suitable to your product. So today I will show the component of the pressure gauge. What is the main component of the pressure gauge and okay, I will show it in this video. Okay, for example, this is the pressure gauge that we are using with the gas system, LPG system here, and it record the pressure that we are using in our system, and you just see it. So today I will show the option. I will show the components, what is the component inside, and the assembly of it. Okay, here is the LPG system that we use for a big building. It is a supermarket building. Okay, so let's see here the detailed component that we attach here. So you can see step by step, like we draw it, focus on the letter here. It has a stainless steel panel, glass lens, digital marker, pointers, gauge case. This is the overall views, and normally it installed with the ones inlets pi one and control one here to control the pressure of the our pressure gauge. So here all the component of our pressure gauge, and here still we see it we look like from the overview slide the inside, and here we are detail and we are separate them here. You can see like it has a panel glass, diaphragm plate, internal linkage, and a boring tube assembly. It an assembly with the nut valve and spool valve. Okay, you can understand clearly now about the pressure gauge that you see, and you understand the component and the part name of all the components. Okay, for more detail, you can try to recheck the video, and then you can understand.